My name is Anusha Krishna.
I'm Krishna.
This is Satya.
Basically, both of us are from agricultural family background.
We bought this about 4-5 months back.
We own a plot here at Vibez.
I'm the most irritated customer, you can ask.
Came across Vibe.
But I think finally I'm convinced that I took one of the best decisions in plotted development.
And everything is smooth for me.
You can have the fun of urban farming.
And I think Vibes and me are talking for probably past 6-7 years. And
We came here to look at the trees after the planting was around 11 months ago.
Veggies as well as fruit plants and all of that. That's what we have been experimenting.
I think you were the one who convinced us. You've done a great job.
so we wanted to have a piece of land near Bangalore.
And if I request for any information, that will be within a day or two, it will be available.
Why I invested is I think I've seen a lot of commercialized projects across Bangalore.
Hopefully, we'll invest more on Vibes properties.
We are very happy with the work that has happened till now.
Good experience so far.
You have been one of the pillars who supported us.